Hello, and today we are going to see if we can make money with a free trading robot which I found on the internet. Now this is from MetaTrader 4, and I previously mentioned that this was free. Now this is a high-risk grid martingale system, and I spent time optimizing it for the best settings. And these settings are available to our members on our Patreon channel. More on that later. And here is where you can download it. It's actually on the MetaTrader marketplace, and it's no different to some of the few $100 grid martingale systems that you can buy. And of course, if you are not already aware, grid martingale trading systems are super risky with a high chance of blowing up your account. Only use funds which you can afford to lose. Okay, let's look at the back tests. If you use the default settings from January 2020 using the recommended time frame, which is 1 minute, a 10k account doubles before it crashes at the end of April. So the challenge is to find an optimization which yields the best profit and has the longest survivability. Of course, when doing optimizations, you can only do so with historical data, and this means there's no guarantee that the future results will be the same. For these type of trading systems, survivability depends on three factors: your account size and leverage. Grid martingale systems will keep opening larger and larger trades every time the market is going against you until the market reverses and closes out your position. Martingale means that the trade size is double the previous until they win, which means that even with a 0.01 starting lot, the 10th trade is already a 5.12 lot size. You can see with this here. This can be quite scary if you've never seen this type of trading system before. Also, the higher leverage you have, the more into drawdown you can go without the dreaded margin call. The second factor is the trading robot settings. In our case, this is the optimization, which is what I run against the robot to look for the best conditions for using this. And the third factor for survivability is the markets. Now this is the only thing that which we don't have any control over. Markets change and evolve all the time, so unfortunately this one depends on luck. I've spent a lot of time optimizing this trading robot, and even though we're starting out at the smallest trade size at 0.01 lots, as mentioned previously, the 10th trade opened in the grid is already 5.12 lots, which is massive. The smallest size account which we should be using for this type of account is 10k. Now, not many people can afford to throw 10k at a risky trading system like this, but if you don't already know, you can use what's called a cent account. Cent accounts are denominated in cents rather than dollars, so $100 in a cent account is registered as $10,000. I've put down a couple of cent providers in the video description box that you can look at if you want to play with this. And as I mentioned, it's the optimization of the trading robot which allows us to find the best possible settings for this trading robot. I used the euro-dollar pair against different time frames. And this is what I found. The euro-dollar 5-minute chart with my set file does this in the back tests. I tested it from January 2020 to April 2021, January 2018 to April 2021, and January 2015 to April 2021. All these made money, but there were some hefty drawdowns. And I've installed the trading robot on a demo and live account to see how they go. You can track the progress at the links on the screen. If you would like the optimization file or set file, you can download it if you're already a Patreon member. If not, then you can check out our membership site on the screen, www.patreon.com/MrAlanForex. There are also other set files in there which you use for other trading robots, and also you can download our own trading robots which I use for the live trading in the Mr. Alan Forex portfolio. And that's it. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you at our next video.